Hello?
Hello, Opa.
Yes. What a voice. Fine. Evening. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. What's your papa? Your friend say?
Opa, Pacho, me the Tina.
Tina, wow. Tina, but look at the free.
Pacho, make us a free typer.
And Grand Typer?
Yes, please.
Oh, I want to tell you now. I want to tell you about 15 years.
Oh, okay, Opa.
Yeah, so Typer is my base. Do you have something for me this evening?
Yes, please, I do. I'm with the pass Opa in the menu.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm going to a couple of bizarre questions. The great mom and say, I'm a person in Mr. BT.
Why not? Today you have get me. Any question you have, ask me. I'm ready to answer you.
Okay, Opa.
Yeah.
Okay, Opa. Pacho, I'm a person in this house. Say, I can't say, Obi a blacksmith. Pacho, or your day. Pacho, that is my question for you.
Obi a blacksmith.
Yes, please.
What about you?
Yes, please.
Now, who want the better?
Oh, Opa, say I say me shut down and show me Jumana to blacksmith in Pacho. The person me who at the code for here almost year. It's not Pacho, my friend.
Now, blacksmith, Obi baby.
Opa, say a Jumo. We will be Jumo, yeah.
Well, don't worry. Obusa phone to cry on Tomra. Don't worry. That's it. Oh, no problem. Now, what did you say? Tina. Oh, yeah, you are right. Yes. Tina, you can put the phone down and stand by for the TV. I'll give you the answer, okay?
All right, Opa. Thank you very much.
I love you. Girl,
okay, I love you too. Bye.
Oh, what a voice. Will you be when was much right? Tina, if you say blacksmith, if you say blacksmith, okay, Tina, and Tina, me what this a boy will be able to remember blacksmith. Girl, in here do Tina. Taifa, yeah, my mama na dia to come bitan baby or tepati. Blacksmith. Okay. Blacksmith is a black person who always lack meat, fresh meat. Okay. Tina, if you say black meat, obiya onipa tuntum openam meat, black meat, nipa tuntum nam. Eti no obiya oye friend black meat biya obiya orenam. Eti juma omo ye no. Ojo bo fish, obo on fish, obo on meat, obo ore kontomre friends mushroom ene ema say obi ane de ope, obo wa ono onwenam, but ye kase black meat obi on batuntumo orenam black meat. So Tina, either you like or not, this is my understanding for you. So if not right, you can call me again and say, "Offer, it's not true." But either good or bad, it's true. Make sure this blacksmith, you need to put more openam. Yeah, viewers. My benefit, my own way. We have blacksmith obi openam ni put more openam or renam. My name, as you know, Akosi Body Acrobat, aka who knows tomorrow.